Hello everybody, Ronnie here from 1322 Investments, and I wanted to give you a quick tutorial of what our plans are here for the Eton Drive project in Columbus. So I want to give you a little tour to kind of give you some insight on what our plans are. So here we are in the living room, and as you can see, we've already started painting the ceilings. So we're going to come in and put new grills in. We're going to add new receptacles throughout. We're going to add some new switches. Maybe a new fixture in here since it doesn't have one. This would have been the carport originally, so this is a nice addition. It actually gives this property more square footage than other properties on the road. And I like this feature, this brick wall. It's a nice accent wall. We're gonna come in here and put new fixtures up, new fan, new carpet, new paint throughout. We're gonna take down this emergency light. It doesn't really need to be there. And in the kitchen, we're going to resurface the counters, possibly replace the sink, probably. We're going to replace this old stove. That's a really old stove. We're gonna come in here and paint all the cabinets, put on new hardware, new fixtures. We're gonna match these fixtures up here. We're going to put in a new hot water heater, replace this exterior door. This is an old hot water heater. It doesn't work properly. It's leaking. So it's an instant tankless hot water heater, gas. So it's really nice to have that. We're going to get paint throughout the kitchen. Same thing in the hallway, new paint, new fixture. The first bedroom here, we've decided to paint the doors. They were brown, old wood, but we're gonna come in with new paint and new chrome doorknobs, new light, new paint, new floor. We're gonna transition this wood floor, this newer floor, into this room. The bathroom, not a whole lot in here, just get it cleaned up, new switches, new paint, maybe some new fixtures in here. You can tell the HVAC is newer and up to date, so that's good. We're going to paint these doors. We're going to transition this newer floor into this room as well. This is the master bedroom, new paint, new grills, new fan, you can tell we've already started putting in new receptacles here. And the same thing over here. The wood floor is going to transition into the room. New knobs, new fixture, new paint, new receptacles, and new switches. So there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed the before tour of our Eton Drive Fix and Flip in Columbus. If you would like to know more, click the link below and go to the bottom of the page and you can sign up for our email list. That way you don't miss any new content that comes out about this project. And if you're interested, you can also sign up for a free passive investor report that we'll send you just to find out more about real estate investing and how you can participate in projects just like this one. So like us on social media and follow us the best you can, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.